Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. Hi there. I've got a 12-inch by 24-inch canvas, and although I want to put some black stripes on it, I want to put some colors on before I do that. I'm not going to go all the way down. That's Decor Americana 24 karat gold. And I figure the more the better at this point. And these are going to be my lightest colors because if I want to cover them over, I will. That's Oriental Blue. I want some Rhapsody Rose. Which is a primary element. Hopefully I get to it before it starts to dry. It looks like it's sticky already. No chips. So I'll just start with this. This is Dancing Fuchsia. This is another purely pigment. I suppose if I wanted any yellow, now is the time to do it. So maybe I will contemplate that immediately and use some Tuscan Sun. I'm inclined to put something else with that Rhapsody Rose, just to make sure it's moist enough to make a stripe. And I can't get enough Dancing Fuchsia, so that's perfect. Alright, Whispering Wisteria also. I forgot it. Don't suppose it matters much at all if they overlap. I'm hoping my head isn't blocking your view. It's a little dangerous putting the wisteria next to the yellow. I could definitely contemplate putting something else in there, like Chantilly lace. I really want to put some cerulean blue in there. Wipe off my tools. I'm going to do it. I may regret it. I hope not. I picked a good spot for that. Could be worse. Could be a lot worse, actually. Makes me want other colors, though, unfortunately. That's African Violet. Thinking no matter what I do, if I start at the top and finish at the bottom and use a skinny enough brush, can't be that bad, right? Knock on wood, somebody. Still want some orange. I'll definitely be messing around with this for a while. Wipe off your tool, Priscilla. I think the saffron. I want some blue velvet. I'm going for the yellow again. I still want orange. I still better fix that blue. It's the next day and I want to do some more stripes, I think. So I'm going to start with the Decor Americana 24 karat gold. And then I'm going to give it some Big Apple. I gotta be careful of those little loops I leave at the bottom. And I want some black. I really do. Now, I want to try all kinds of things. I don't mind that at all. That's kind of cool. I just wonder what I should do with my residuals, and that's not it. I'm not going to do that. But I am probably going to do what I just did again. This is Chrysocolla. I'm going to use some pink carnation. I just got to crawl to orange. Do the exact same thing again. Starting with a thinner stripe seems to work better. Definitely like the way that looks. Clean my tool off and dry it. Can I get away with another couple? Maybe I can. I want to use the Spring Wisteria, but I don't think it's gonna work. So I'm going to try the red violet, because I'm pretty sure it will work. And because I have blue velvet over there already, I think I'm going to use the cerulean blue. And one more color. Maybe it's going to have to be... I can't use the yellow that's already there. I think I can use this saffron though. I think that'll be good, actually, as long as I don't overwork it with that cerulean blue. I'm going to have to wipe off my brush though. I can use the wild orchid. It's going to be okay to use the orange crush. I just want more pink, and I'm going to do it. I also want some Chrysocolla. Try this one more time. I've got other tools that are smaller, so maybe I'll be using them. But for right now, that's pretty cool. Maybe I can use that right now. Hang on, let me see what I can find. That might work. Can't do white, but I could do gold. I really thought I was going to do something very different with this. Do I have anything thinner? I do have something thinner. There we go. Perfect. That's what I needed right there. I made my own toothy tools using spatula heads. That worked. I can do that again. What color do I want over here? I want pink over here. I'm going to use the Dancing Fuchsia again. I don't even mind that they're different, or that they seem to overlap. And you know what? I've got a tool if I want to do anything with that. That's a nail art tool. And they may or may not stay, because I think if there's too much paint, it fills in. I think I have one gap left over here, and I don't want to do anything to it now, so whatever it is for the moment, it's done, and it's pretty cool looking. I like it. It's not perfect. There is no perfection in fluid art, in my opinion. And I don't know if I'm going to be doing anything else to this or not, but I like it the way it is for right now. It's cheerful to make a good pattern for something. And if I see any more things filling in like that, I might use the nail art tool as it dries, like right now. Thank you for joining me. Please share a thumbs up and subscribe. Choose all when you click the bell if you're going to help me out. If you're interested in a certain method, I have a wide assortment of playlists sharing different methods. Please watch as much of my video as possible to positively affect the algorithm. easpbgallery@gmail.com is my email address to inquire about a private class or the purchase of artwork. Please feel free to ask questions. They're always welcome. My channel survives with the assistance of channel memberships and PayPal donations, and I want to send a huge thank you out to all my supporters.